This is a speed install video of a 10-inch Porthole. I started with making my measurements on the inside of the forward bulkhead, then drilled a small pilot hole from the inside out. Now you can see I'm using an 8.25-inch circular hole saw here. As I start cutting, I'm actually drilling in a counterclockwise direction. Then I use some WD-40 just to be sure I'm not going to mess up my teeth on the hole saw. After I've got a little bit of a bite going in there, I do go clockwise to cut through the aluminum. Never push too hard on a hole saw this large, and be sure you have total control of that half-inch drill motor. Next, you'll need to cut a 2-piece backing plate. There's about a 1-inch gap between the plywood and the aluminum. You will notice on the backing plate, I've drawn both the inner diameter and the outer diameter of the faceplate. I then cut away any excess of the backing plate, leaving a minimum of 1/2 inch beyond the outer diameter of the faceplate. Next, apply wood glue to the back side of the backing plate. Now, you will notice that I have attached a string to each section of the backing plate. This acts as a safety. If you were to let go of the backing plate before putting on those clamps, it may fall right down between the bulkhead and the outer skin and would not be retrievable, meaning you would have to start over and make another backing plate. Be sure to let that wood glue dry up for a good couple of hours. Now let's do a little bit more prep work and prepare to use a jigsaw to make a keyway for the porthole install. Using an artist masking tape works best. Line up your faceplate so the keyway is facing downwards. Use a magic marker or pencil to trace the keyway as well as mark all of the holes for your screws. Drill out the screw holes large enough to fit a number 6 through bolt. Then use your jigsaw to cut the keyway for the porthole. Use a Dremel tool to remove any sharp edges around your porthole opening. All right, well, I think we're ready to see if this porthole will fit into the opening and we can secure it down. I used number 6 2-inch long machine screws with washers, lock washers, and a nut to tighten it all down. Use a good marine caulking like 3M 5200 or an equivalent to weatherproof your through bulkhead fitting. Watch all of our how-to videos right here on Atlantic Drain.